Hello everyone, welcome to this episode of Garden Time Homemade Cuisine. Today we will be making a delicious steamed egg dish presented inside a beautiful teacup. It's delicious and beautiful, great for breakfast or as a side dish with rice. The portion I have here is made for 2 people. First, we will marinate 4 peeled shrimp with a little bit of salt and white pepper. Then slice up a crab stick and shiitake mushrooms and set that aside. Now we will beat 2 large eggs and add in water, milk, and seasoning. Beat well. Set out 2 teacups as the ones I have here and strain the beaten eggs through. Boil the water in a steamer and place the 2 bowls inside. Immediately turn the heat down to medium and cover the lid and let it steam for about 5 minutes. Careful not to cook the eggs on high or the eggs will overcook and turn rubbery. When the surface of the egg mixture starts to solidify, add in the shrimp meat, the crab meat, and the shiitake mushroom. Place the lid back on and steam for another 5 minutes. Take the bowl out of the steamer as soon as everything sets, and this will ensure a melt-in-your-mouth texture. For extra flavoring, drizzle on 2 drops of the Maggi soy sauce or any Japanese soy sauce. Sesame oil and green scallions would also be a good option. The finished dish is delicate and very flavorful. Thank you for watching. Like our Facebook page to stay updated with behind-the-scenes contents. See you guys next time.